Welcome to the weekly swing low. It's June 21st, 2025. We had our Fed meeting this week, and so that catalyst is out of the way. We just completed week 10. The market is in a bit of a holding pattern here. We do have a swing high on the daily chart. That's important to note. And so we may have started the daily cycle decline. Let's talk about it. We'll start with SPY here, SPY. And so you can see on this weekly chart, the last 2 weeks have been red, but very small in terms of range. And we haven't really made a lower low. So the last green week we have is that week of June 2nd, so the first week of June. And that candle has a range. The high is 599 and the low is 583. So a pretty big candle in terms of range. These next 2 weeks have just been on the upper end of that range. And so right now, that low for over the last 2 weeks was $592.86. So still well above that low from the first week of June. And so that's the level that we want to watch here. Like we want to watch, do we close sustainably below? So let's say next week we get something like this, right? Because it seems like we're probably getting the daily cycle decline. And so now the real question is this also the weekly cycle decline as well? And so the low last week, so again, is that level is $592.86. If we close below that, that means we have a weekly swing high in place now. And that is really troublesome on week 10. What you want to watch for is a move below that level and then a recapture. Again, not to belabor the point, but that would be a false breakdown, as we talk a lot about on this